Here's a 158 Maven. That's going down the Edinburgh to Glasgow line.
Please do not smoke on the station. Thank you for your cooperation.
That was a good one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. So I wonder what's going to come next.
This bit's definitely more active, I'll give it that. Because I mean, look how much we just saw there.
I know. I'll tell you something like, if he was to give us a horn, we would probably jump
Because, well, I mean, we're that close to him, then yeah, we probably would jump.
and go, oh.
Just make sure you hold on to your phone though, yeah, if you jump like that. Oh, I see something. 158, I see you. He's going to Glen Northsmith Thornton and he's going on this platform. He's coming on here. Here he is.
Platform 9 for the 1452 Avanti West Coast service to Milton Keynes Central. Calling at Haymarket, Carlisle, Penrith, North Lakes, Oxenholme, Lancaster, Preston, Wigan North Western, Warrington Bank Quay, Crewe,
No,
Stafford,
this 390 is going to come
Wolverhampton,
flying out of here.
Dudley, Birmingham New Street, Birmingham International, Coventry, Rugby and Milton Keynes Central. This train is formed of 11
Told you they went to
coaches.
Milton Keynes.
Platform 9 for the 1452 Avanti West Coast service to Milton Keynes Central.
Yeah, I will say this, so it's a bit weird to hear the East Coast Mainline tannoids say that.
Yeah.
Because this is the ECML. What's that? Oh, 170. Remember, step out my way. Just a little bit, thanks. You'll be able to drive that line on TSW. Yeah, there's a coupled 158 onto it. And now I don't know what else will come now. Something will come though.
I wonder if that 390 will come on this platform.
He will. He won't, no, he's not coming in here, Ryan, he's coming out. So no, he won't be on that platform, he'll be over there. Do you know the state, we need to play GCR at some point, because you know GCR is actually set in Scotland and you know how it's actually got Edinburgh Waverly in it. It's quite cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we do need to play GCR a bit more often. Oh, just hear the points changing. So that means that 390 is probably going to come out here. So I'm just going to move up here so I can see it better.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Not too much though, because we don't want to get in each other's way, like I say.
I'll just maybe come about here.
Aye, I'll go up to about here. I'm not going any further because I don't want to get in trouble for trespassing. So I'm not going any further.
Platform 11 for the 14:55 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central via Shorts. Calling at Haymarket, Livingston South, West Calder, Shorts, Bells Hill and Glasgow Central. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform 11.
And remember, do you remember what time Mum said we have to be back for 4 so we can get on the train and head home?
Via Shorts.
Where is Mr. 390?
He'll be coming. Just have to be patient.
They come flying out of this platform though, they weren't anywhere near as fast on that side. Probably because that side's narrower. Oh, action, 334 action. Yeah, I know he is.
This is a safety announcement. Due to today's wet weather, please take extra care whilst on the
And that's him gone. He came in pretty quick. And there's a double yellow there, so that means hopefully Mr. 390 is going to come out of here now. He was probably waiting for that train to come in.
Probably. Well, I was going to say if that guy didn't give us a horn, then that guy, if he moves, probably.
He might, because he'll see us. He'll see us. That guy just didn't see us probably. But this guy will. He's going to Helensburgh Central.
And I think we should hold on to our phones if he does, because...
Hold them tight, because if he blows the horn we're going to go like that. And
Yeah,
we know
but
we
we
are,
do-
so hold on to the phone.
Yeah.
I heard the 390 doors. See, told you. $170 Ryan. Oh! He must have had a red signal for a second, because you see him slow down.
Yeah.
Must have had a red for a second. I'll get this guy, because Mr. 158's got his day running lights on. You video him. And I'll video the 385 that's coming, alright? Just in case he moves, at least someone will get him. There's a tram up there, Ryan. You see the pantograph?
Platform 8 for the 15.
He's coming straight down.
Service to London King's Cross. Calling at Newcastle, Durham, Darlington, Northallerton, York, Doncaster, York North 8, Peterborough, and London King's Cross. This train is called 9 coaches. Platform 8 for the 1500 LER 0 service to London King's Cross.
I would say we could ask if we could do tram spotting, but I guess we could do tram spotting one day up there, but not today because I think Mum will just want to get home, and she won't want to wait another hour for another train just because we want a tram spot. So not today, but at some point. Oh, 800 coming in over here. He's coming in on the far platform.
Platform 15 for the 1502 ScotRail service to Dundee. Calling at Haymarket, Edinburgh Gateway, Inverkeithing, Dalgety Bay, Aberdour, Burnt Island, Kinghorn, Kirkcaldy, Margate, Ladybank, Cooper, Lookers and Dundee. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Platform 15 for the 1502 ScotRail service to Dundee.
This is an announcement to remind customers not to feed the pigeons in the interest of environmental safety.
We got that nice sound there, didn't we, of the motor slowing down. The next one to come out will probably be the 158. It's getting a bit chilly now. Don't know about you, but that's probably because but you've got a coat on though, mate. I've got a jumper. So that's probably why I'm cold.
That guy will move for ages.
You think he's going to sit there, do you, that 158? He's... What, the 334? The 334? Well, he's got his tail lights on, I suppose, yeah. I think they've swapped drivers. I think the other guy that was on that platform's just got into that. So this time it'll be going back. This is actually better than Carlisle, do you know that? I'm annoyed I missed that 170, but at the same time I was getting that 390. Although to be fair, were you focusing on the 390 as well, other than the 170?
Platform 14,
Oh.
1505 ScotRail service to Dunblane, calling at Haymarket, Edinburgh Park, Linlithgow, Polmont, Falkirk Grahamston, Camlin, Larbert, Stirling, Bridge of Allen and Dunblane. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 14 for the 1505 ScotRail service to Dunblane. This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it. See it. Sorted.
Glen Ross with Thornton. The 385's got his day running lights on, by the way. He'll be going after that one comes, I think. Not that one, but there's another 385 down there. I know I missed that, by the way, but I was focusing on him. You can't do 2 trains at once, you know. Yeah, and then at least someone got him. At least someone got him. It'll be that 385 next. I've got this feeling that it's going to be.
Platform 5 for the 1508 cross-country
Service to
Plymouth, calling at Dunbar, Berwick-upon-Tweed, Newcastle, Durham, Darlington, York, Leeds, Wakefield, Westgate, Sheffield, Derby, Burton-on-Trent, Tamworth, Birmingham New Street, Worcestershire Parkway, Cheltenham Spa, Bristol Parkway, Bristol Temple Meads, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway, Exeter St David's, Newton Abbot, Totnes and Plymouth. This train is formed of.
That's a lot of stops. See why it takes so long.
This train will call additionally at Tamworth and Worcestershire Parkway today. Platform 5 for the 1508 cross-country.
43, 43. He'll be off the Edinburgh to Glasgow line. Because he came from Aberdeen, is he? Aberdeen's that way though, I think. Because the Forth Bridge is that way, so Aberdeen's that way. And he's not going to move for ages, mate, so there's no point in vlogging the 43. There's another, yeah, I know, I've just noticed as well. Terrible shot, that. What platform's this guy on?
Platform 7, 14, 15, 11, ScotRail service to Tweedbank. Calling at Lindsay.
He's coming in here. Ryan, he's coming in here, mate.
Newton Grange, Goldbridge, Stow, Galashiels and Tweedbank. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform 7, 40, 15, 11, ScotRail service to Tweedbank. This is a safety announcement. Due to today's wet weather, please take...
It's not raining, my God. Ryan. Right, video this guy, because this guy's got some life in him now. We'll see if he...
Are you ready for a jump scare?
He's probably... He might not though, it depends. But yeah, if he does, yes I am. We're probably gonna...
Prepare.
Yeah, I will, don't you... Don't worry, man, I'm ready.
It probably won't give us
No, none of them have so far, have they? Except from the guy over there, that's it. Nobody else gave us a horn. He might. Got, I think, there's 801 going. Why has he got his door open like that? Mate, you need to close your door. Oh. Right, who's going next, do you think? I can see another one down there with these lights on.
Platform 6 for the 1514 Transpennine Express service to Berwick-upon-Tweed. Calling at Dunbar.
There's 2 trains coming in, a 385 and a 170.
Is formed of 5 coaches. Platform 6 for the 1514 Transpennine Express service to Berwick-upon-Tweed.
You video that guy, I'll video the 385.
Scorpio Express service to Glasgow Queen Street. Calling at Haymarket, Linlithgow.
I think these are going to couple together, Ryan. I think we're getting a coupling procedure. Because look, they're on the same line.
Platform 11 for the 1515 Scorpio Express service to Glasgow Queen Street.
I've got some congestion there now. If they couple together, that'd be great, but I don't know if they will now. Aye, Ryan, one word, much more active over here.
Yes.
10 times more active over here. No, he's just opening his doors, he's not leaving. Do you know you can do that on TSW? You can couple trains together, do you know that? I think this station is owned by Network Rail and LNER. Because there's a lot of LNER workers around, isn't there? Is he? Are you sure? Ah, he's got his lights on. But
Platform 20 for the 1518 Scorpio service to Cowdenbeath. Calling at Haymarket, Edinburgh Gateway, Dalmeny, North Queensferry, Inverkeithing, Rosyth, Dunfermline City, Dunfermline, Queen Market,
see
and Cowdenbeath.
see on that new route you'll be able to stop at all of that that's just said.
Oh yeah.
So you
Platform 20
can have a time of your life on it. And it's a fuel.
1518 Scorpio service to Cowdenbeath.
All I've seen so far up there is one tram at the minute, but where's platform 20 then? It's probably over there. There's a yellow signal up here, Ryan. I think he's moving, maybe. Oh, Ryan 385. He's boarding now, that LNER. Doesn't mean he's going though.
Platform 12 for the 1521 ScotRail service to Bathgate. Calling at Haymarket, Edinburgh Park, Uphall, Livingston North and Bathgate. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform 12 for the 1521 ScotRail service to Bathgate.
Oh, it'll be this one here, Ryan, that moves. What? I can't hear a word you're saying.
When it comes out,
Yeah.
it doesn't come out until the 47 comes in. That goes at 15:21.
Oh, okay. Oh, so there's a 47 coming in, Ryan. Over there, I can see it. Here he is.
This is an announcement to remind customers not to feed for pigeons in the interest of environmental safety.
That was cool. There's a 158, but that was cool though. Bro, that was so cool.
That was.
Never saw a PR diesel IRL before, so that was cool. Now he'll be coming out, I suspect.
Yep.
Probably. Hopefully. this guy that's making that noise. Oh.
This is a safety announcement. Due to today's wet weather, please take extra
Here's another one.
Platform 14 for the 1527 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central via Shorts.
Ooh,
Calling at
he's
Haymarket,
risking it a bit for fitting in the
Slichford,
platform. Look,
Kingsnow,
he's still all the way down there.
Curry Hill, Kirknewton,
Ah, he's
Kingston
risking
South,
that a bit,
West
like.
Calder, Bray, Fauldhouse, Shorts, Hartwood, Cleland, Carfin, Boytown, Bells Hill, Uddingston and Glasgow Central. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Change at West Calder for services to Addywell. Platform 14 for the 1527 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central via Shorts.
Did you get the 47? Because that was cool.
Yeah.
That's the train they put in the back of the Scotsman, you know, sometimes at 47. Not the ScotRail one, but A47. And another train spotter there, but he's got a proper 4K camera. We're just using our phones, really.
Yeah.
Because train spotting cameras are, ouch, they're expensive.
Yeah.
Did you hear the other bell of the tram, by the way, while the 47 was going by?
This guy will be going.
He's opening his doors now, so yeah, once the day running lights turn on, that'll be him almost going. They're boarding the LNER.
Yep.
Why has he got his door open? That's stupid. Is there something down there? I can't see, because look, he's videoing something. Is there something there? Can you see? Or not? Mate, you need to shut your door. Oh yeah, there is. There was something. Yeah, alright, fine, he was right, there is something. He's going really slow. He might be coupling though. You video him, there's another 385 coming down here.
Platform 17 for the 1530 ScotRail service to Aberdeen, calling at Haymarket, Cooper, Lookers, Dundee, Arbroath, Montrose, Stonehaven and Aberdeen. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 17 for the 1530 ScotRail service to Aberdeen. Platform 19 for the 1530 LNER service.
blew the horn at us.
Service to London King's Cross.
This guy will be going in a minute because that's his train being announced. This guy will be budging in a minute. That 385 should be going as well.
So that's 2 horns that
Why
we've
has he
had.
got his door open? He can't drive like that, surely. Really?
Unless if he's hopped.
Yeah, but can he really drive like that? Isn't it a bit dangerous? What if the door blows off when he's driving or breaks off or something?
Yeah, true.
He's got openable windows for a reason. Is this 385 going? Yeah, he is, isn't he? He's washing his window. Oh, all down the headlight. You can smell the windscreen wash. Strong stuff, like.
That guy will be going.
Oh, is this guy going? Maybe. Aye, look, he's coupling to that other train. Look, that 170. I thought that that's what he would be doing. I've drove that on TSW into Edinburgh a few times. What's he doing? What's he revving his engine for? Did you hear it? Right, well, alright, maybe he can drive like that. I didn't know you were allowed to do that, but clearly he is. We'll see a train going with its door wide open. That's certainly a first, isn't it? Surely that's dangerous. Is it not?
The points have changed.
Yeah, this guy might be going. Is he going? Or not?
Unless someone else is.
I'm confused at this point. Oh yeah, he is going. With his door wide open. What was that? Oh, it must be that 8... What was that? It was someone blowing their horn. Was it that 801?
Probably.
Maybe the front's that end and maybe he's at the rear. Maybe he's not driving.
Oh no, he is.
Oh yeah, is he?
Shut his door now.
He's driving this way though. Right, see, I told you he was going that way. And there go the 47 and the 43.
Yep.
Isn't that funny how both 40s left at the same time? And now the 385 will get coming because he probably had to slam his brakes on because they started coming out.
Probably.
Here he comes now though. I have to tell my dad I saw a BR diesel today.
Class 47.
That was cool though, wasn't it? And he's probably waiting for this guy to come in. Again, is he too long for the platform? Is he too long just by an inch?
Service to North Berwick.
Aye, but not by very much though, because it's only one coach.
Pans, Longniddry, Drem and North Berwick. This train is formed of 6 coaches. Platform 7 for
There's a 43 coming down, Ryan.
ScotRail service to North Berwick. Platform 2 for the 1538 ScotRail service to Perth. Calling at Haymarket, South Gyle, Edinburgh Gateway, Inverkeithing, Dalgety Bay, Aberdour, Burnt Island, Kinghorn, Kirkcaldy, Markin,
He's coming down here.
Ladybank and Perth. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Platform 2 for the 1538 ScotRail service to Perth.
Yeah, I know, co-driver and a driver. He could have been, but I doubt it. Here comes the other power car. This is what GCRs like to play, it's fun. God, I think our train's late, is it not? Is our train late?
I don't know.
We've probably still got time though, probably. Where did the 385 go, Brian? Where did that 385 go that was there? Oh, there he is.
6 for the 15.
Here we go, Ryan. It's an 802.
Calling at Princeton, UK, Shopware, Westbound, Newton.
That's probably our Ryan. That's probably our train.
This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform 6 for the 15.
So it looks like we've got an 802. I tell you we get an 802 on the back, didn't I? Hey, blow the horn at somebody.
Service to Helensburgh via Glasgow Queen Street. Calling at Haymarket, Edinburgh Park, Uphall, Livingston North, Bathgate, Armadale, Blackridge, Calder Crooks, Drumgailloch, Airdrie, Coat Dyke, Coatbridge, Sunnyside, Blair Hill.
Aye, that's probably our train, you know, Ryan. Told you we get an 802 on the way back, so we've had a turn in a 397 and now we're going to get one in 802.
Yep.
So how can we blow the horn down there and didn't blow it at us? Did they not see us or something?
I don't think so.
Dang, that's annoying. Oh well, we can live with it. It was only one driver. But we're probably getting him back on the way back.
Probably.
And what time is it actually? Fuck, what time is it? You'll have to cut, I'm afraid, sorry. What time is it though?
This is an announcement to remind customers
Just check what time it
not to
is.
feed for pigeons in the interest of
3:37.
Right, so we've got till 4. So start another video.
I'm gonna end up on 3 videos.
I think before we... Oh well, it's a bit late to go for a piss now, isn't it? Fuck, and is that why we were told to go and we're at Pizza Express?
Yes.
Because fuck, now I need a wee.
You need to...
I could just go in the station real quick, but then it's probably... I don't know how clean the toilets are and I don't even know where they are. It's, although actually I can just go on the train, can go for a wee on the train, actually, so it's
Oh, well,
fine.
maybe we wouldn't tell your mum though, because if you tell your mum, she
Oh,
might... He's going.
I don't need that bad anyway, so to be honest, I could probably just wait till we get to Dumfries to McDonald's and then go, because I actually don't need that bad if I'm honest. So I should be able to last. Is he? Are you sure? Because there's people still getting on him. Yeah, that 802 is probably what we're getting back, I would suspect. So he'll probably sit there now till 4 o'clock, and then at 4 o'clock,
We'll
get the
get
fuck on the train, and then I'm going for a piss, possibly. If I can find where the toilets are.
Oh, your mum's calling me.
Oh, is she? Oh, okay.